Today I'll be talking about the Master Lock. It's the Safe Space. It's a storage bag. It's a lock and storage bag that you can store your valuables, cash, jewelry, confidential documents. Bought this at Lowe's Hardware. It's about $19.95, I think. It's got you can put an identification card holder. It's water resistant. So I'm just gonna open it up and see if we can pick it open. And this is a 7-pin tumbler lock by Master. You see that. Keys are inside of the bag. You can see Master on the key. You see it is 7 pins. The lock, it does work. Lock it back. So we're going to try to open it up. I'm going to use a small tension wrench, but not that small. So, try this one here. Yeah, that one looks perfect. I'm going to use just a 15 thousandths Peterson. Go to the back of the lock. See if we can open it up. Use a medium tension. Oop, I thought I had it. Not just yet. I think I'm 2 set, 3 a set, 4 a set. Okay, I think I may have over tensioned it or something here. I'll tell you what, let's go to the top of the keyway and try this one. We'll try this way. That way I can lay my pick on the board, on the side of the board in there, and push up on it. Okay, and there we have it. It's a open. So very easy pick. There's no security pins in it. They're like all standards. You can lock the bag up. And now the bag is secure, but it'll be easy cut, or scissors or a knife. But there you have it. It's the Master Lock. It's a Safe Space. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave any comments, and have a good day.